Discuss the basic ideas of your friend.
Yes.
And if you realize that whatsoever the ideas you have, it is accepted or it is present in the majority, so no problem. But if you realize that you committed some mistake anyhow, but you realize it, then try to mold it. But always anyway remember, while narrating or in the discussion part, you shouldn't show your fumbling behavior or eyeball movements should be restricted. Clear? So it can be easily perceived by the assessors if you commit these mistakes. But anyhow, it is a kind of choice of yours whether you want to change the story, you want to alter a few lines of the story, or you want to remain with your story whatsoever the story you made. Okay? So it is a precious round in which you are going to participate in the narration and discussion. So let me start the narration plus discussion. Now the time has come to switch over to the next level of the test, and that is discussion round. You have already participated in the narration round. In the narration round, you just share your views, what you had made in the story. It is basically the ideas that you had in the story part and you shared with your friends. Now everyone is aware of the ideas of your friends. Now you people are expected to make a common story. The idea that you have in the story part, you are going to make a common story. And for common story, you need to discuss. Sometimes it happens that the people or the friends of yours may not be agree with your opinion or ideas that you had. So make them agree by giving some rational or logical points. Clear? What I expect that you shouldn't shout and you shouldn't be the part of the noise of the group. So that how you are going to manage the noise, and if the situation comes, so what type of attributes you are going to display. So it is very valuable and important for the selection round. Now start your discussion.
Okay, so I think that we all have concept two characters and one is male and one is female.
We can go for the action. Like one of the person,
Yeah.
just let me complete. Like one of the person is having a knife in his hand, and the another female character is sleeping. So here we can perceive
As
that.
you said, my friend, object number 20, 24 and 11 has myself has the same story of the thief. So we can go with our story.
And
So,
as we have perceived that there is a
two
thief
characters
in the
and the
picture,
action of the
and
story
to fight
is
the
about
thief, I think
there
that
is
the
a
girl who
thief
is lying
who is
there,
taking the
she
knife
must
in
be
her hand.
a best friend that she
Gentlemen, we
must
all
be physically
here
fit.
the
What you are
Can be seen easily that the person that he is holding the person that he is holding the knife is in a very different manner. So it is
what can the physical strength is also required. As for physical strength, we can include the girl who is into my story involved in certain activities.
Like
Gentlemen,
I think we should discuss one by one. As we all have perceived that something like thief is going on there, and the girl who is confronting the thief, she must be physically strong. And that's why I have made the character as a sports person, because she will be clearly able to confront him.
because we are told to self-defense technique. So we can consider the hero as an NCC cadet because they are well known of the various self-defense technique. And adding to that, we can show that the thief, while the thief is busy in his
some more point of just number 11 that as he is an NCC cadet and having a defense background, she is very well known to effect that is performed at what time by
As we have to go to the physical fitness, so most of us are going with the girl and the NCC cadet or the sports person. So I think we should take our story forward. The girl and the NCC cadet is also portraying
Yes,
what is the physical
we can see that many of us are perceiving towards
one thing that we have decided combined is that the girl is an NCC and she is also a kabaddi player. So she has a good level of physical fitness.
as we can see that there is a scenario of the robbery and which is a very well physical fitness woman can handle and as we have some point that
Okay, that is over. So you are shouting only. A few cadets are not following the basic instruction that you shouldn't be the part of huge shout or making hue and cry. If you realize that other people are speaking and contributing their valuable points, so how to manage it? So it is one of the important traits that you should learn. Likewise, okay friend, let me complete. So that is the option. Okay, your points are valuable. Okay, you can say that, okay friend, he has the valid point, let him complete his thought. So certain points should be shared instead of just speaking only. And why you want to speak to those, especially they are speaking, you should try to speak to those who are not speaking, they are listeners. Because of that only, even the situation come out with hue and cry. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the things are very good and practically it is acceptable because actually it happens generally in the SSB test also. ठीक है, तो अभी मैं आपको दो चीज़ें बता रहा हूँ उसमें, तो उसको